This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhone appreview.com doing a video review about an app called Awesome Shopper. Let me go ahead and get that launched. We're going to get nice and zoomed in on this so we can get a really good look. Ooh, a little too close. There we go. About this Awesome Shopper application. Now, Awesome Shopper is, just in its very most basic form, a barcode scanner, which is very, very cool. You probably have seen apps that do barcode scanning, but this app actually has a lot more to it than that, which is really cool, which is why I'm glad we had it this week here on the iPhone appreview.com. There's a couple different options. First of all, just for getting the barcode in there. First of all, you can go ahead and just scan it. It pulls up a picture taker. You're supposed to line up with these lines. The lines help quite a bit. Now, obviously, it's black right now. You can't see anything, but normally that would be a place where you want there to be quite a bit of light. The brighter, the flatter that is, the easier. I will say that I've used a lot of barcode scanners. This one does function like it's supposed to, which is really, again, a nice change for one of them to actually work, which is awesome. You can actually also enter the UPC code by tapping there. And bring out the keyboard and all that good fun stuff, and then searching, no big deal. And you can also, this is really cool, search for a keyword. Say you know exactly what you're searching for. Same thing, go ahead and bring that up. Type exactly what you want, and even if you're just looking for new books, you can type in books and it will bring you all these really awesome results for books. So really kind of cool, intricate, and detailed. As you can tell, the user interface is really easy, super easy to use. The keyboard's dedicated, normal one you have, and the back button is really great for navigating around your results. So let's go ahead and go down to the rest of these tabs. I'll show you some of their features. So again, barcode scanning is great, but when you do a barcode scan, what happens is it actually shows you a lot more details than you think. So we're going to go ahead and use some of my history here. Here's the last barcode scan that I did, and then these are actually what pops up. It takes you to Amazon, Best Buy, eBay, Google, Shopzilla, and even Yahoo's shopping networks. So right away, this is great for price comparisons, for doing research on products, seeing if you can get a better deal when you're out somewhere else. And you can actually, let's just say Google. Google usually has some awesome results. So I scanned a book. Here's information about the book. And you can actually go ahead and type in a location. It integrates directly with Google Maps. It also lets you go ahead and use this just like a browser where you can actually purchase it without even leaving the app if you want to by using the website. So very, very cool. Down here at the bottom, you can save something as a favorite. If you'd like to, we'll just say, yep, this is a favorite, and this is, we're gonna call it hi, and say okay. And that way, this page actually is a favorite. You can also tap this item to add it to a wish list if you want to, and then you can actually share this via text, via email, or directly to Facebook. So again, like I said, this is not your average boring barcode scanner. This is an extremely detailed, extremely responsive, extremely intelligent application that's going to give you results on all these different sites so that if you're out somewhere and about to buy something, you know how to get the best deal on it, which is awesome. And let me take you back to the main screen, and we'll talk a little bit more about what's here at the bottom. So here again, we're in history, and it does date them and time them. You can delete history if you want to, or you can edit your history and actually remove items if you want to. Really simple, no big deal. Let's talk about the next option, which is favorites. So like you said before, I just tapped in something and said, hi, this is my favorite that I saved. There it is. It takes you exactly where you were. And that could be just the results. It could be the entire thing, whatever you want to do. And then it's always going to be here under favorites. Same thing, you can edit them or trash them if you want to. Wish list is kind of cool because you can actually add something to the wish list and then say, hey, yep, this is what I want. I have all these items saved. That way when you're ready to make some purchases, if you're a little back on budget like all of us are on a budget these days, when you're ready to make some purchases, you have everything kind of picked out and laid out, which is really, really cool. You can go right to it. If someone says, hey, I want to get you so-and-so, say, oh, okay, cool. Well, let's go to my wish list. Let's tap in what I want. And then let me, once it gets done loading, tap this right here and share it with you. That way you know what to get me for a present next time you're shopping for me, okay? The other option that we haven't really gone over yet is the settings tab, which is really just some information about the area. There is some scan audio, like when it actually does snap the barcode, it'll make a clicking sound, that way you know it's caught it. So again, just real thorough. The bottom tab design is really easy to use, and really makes everything navigating wise super easy. You can select different countries. This is an app that will work in the UK and all kinds of other places, which is really, really cool. Just for my sanity, we're going to leave it on the US, because otherwise I might be looking at things in a language I don't understand. You can also rate it, request a feature, report bugs, and contact the company. So not too bad for a barcode scanner. There's a lot of great features. I'm showing it to you here on the iPad, but it also works on the iPhone, the iPod, obviously. This app costs 99 cents, but if you're going to be using it to save money, that makes a lot of sense. We did give this app a 4 out of 5 stars on the iPhoneAppReview.com, and I really like it, and I think you will too. So that's been our video review of Awesome Shopper here at the iPhoneAppReview.com. Until next time.